Hello everybody, Mike Fraser from Miller Industries. Today we're here to give you a few tips on how to properly use your chain hook adapters. As with any Miller Industries towing attachment, you should always inspect it for signs of stress from improper usage. With the chain hook adapter, you should always use the pin supplied by Miller Industries to secure it to the underlift. So probably one of the most important safety factors when using the chain hook adapter is to ensure that the chain is perfectly in line with the hook if possible. The hook was not designed to be pulled off to the side. It was designed for the chain to be put into the throat, so there's no side stress put on if you're not putting it off on any angle.
As you can see here, the crossbar can only pivot so far. Whether you are pulling forward or backing up, turning the truck too sharp can result in damage occurring to the chain hook adapter or any other attachment that might be in use.
This video is for product demonstration purposes only and is not intended for training or instructional purposes. Situations vary and operators should rely on their own professional knowledge and safety procedures when conducting actual recoveries. Operators should always wear appropriate personal protective equipment and follow all local, state, and federal safety regulations when conducting recoveries. Miller Industries Towing Equipment Inc. is not responsible for any damage resulting from the misuse of equipment or any subsequent personal harm or damage to equipment or property resulting from its misuse.